Hey guys, today we're going to build a aluminum stand for my Evolution chop saw, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a bunch of scrap aluminum tubing that I used for my pop-up camper. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a couple of squares, and then we'll make some legs, weld it all together and bolt it on. We're going to use these wheels. They aren't exactly the wheels I wanted, but Harbor Freight's all Harbor Freight has, so go ahead and mount them however, like that. And that's it. Let's get her going. Okay, we got all our pieces cut. We'll go ahead and weld up the table itself. Okay, we're all done with the deck. Let's work on the base. Now the base I'm going to build the same width, but a little bit wider or deeper on the bottom. Alright, so I set up this little jig. I squared these up, and then I set these two pieces in, the bottom and then one of the risers, and then the top, and then I squared up the top. I'll go ahead and tack it in, and then I'll put a piece up here, and then I'll do the other ones. And it should be pretty square, we'll see. Alright, I got it all tacked up, do a little finish welding, and it'll be all ready to put the wheels on. And once I get the wheels on, I'll drill the holes for the saw, mount it, and we'll be done. Hey, quick plug on the ARCCAPTAIN TIG 200P AC DC welder. It's the one I use, and I'll have a link in the description. Okay, I got the saw bolted down and it rolls real nice. So what I'll do is, as I see fit, I'll probably come in and maybe add a shelf for storage for the clamps, and maybe put on the back a mounting bracket that I can put my saw blades on. But I'll do that at a later date. I don't want to do it too quick because I don't want to do it and then redo it, because I find I have another thing I need to bolt onto it, because I do have this space back here. I can put a small like a bracket for one of my cutoff saws and just permanently mount it there, or not permanent, but have it to where I can take it and put the unit on there. Alright, that's it, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It all helps. Thank you.